any ka some any energy some ne say uko eye Nima Association ya omuwo eye New York omo aka omuhu abomaden e the machines ya ne bo edin ene eye hospital bed eso e the aka ho e the ababeche Nzungu community eye hospital anase clinic ni nyina se omunje sanse ubehwa eto de bia na yenuanom asabi omo kidney problem no obi wo hono ma ebi kura na nka wo say every 3 days ana every week bia no okọ ne to machine so na aye problem eno na yenuanom a omu efi nima ana say Zongo community a omo so ewo New York ebo omade to machines a yede eye omo a sabi omo nya kidney problem no omo to bi edebre omo say omo so enje na sabio so obi yale kidney ana say o say oni akora ya ohuru ni mogya so a ejira so ayisu machine na dey hwe enipa no eno na dey bia ka che say Ghana ha yetie ebi mu ko do eso omu ye adepadema oman Ghana ebi mu ko do eseka ebi kura na abrochire wo no ebi o ye gbo hospital na company bi machines bi ho no ko beti dia be che o man su bedu ha bo na ye din yeni ya no di niamai e ba be che hospital free eye Nima Association New York ade a omudi ba ye ka problem a omu fam a na bunipa bem e bunipa bem to understand say ade e dey be che no do think ko omu tua no over 40,000 Ghana cedi afa du ba bi na ba mabu say ade no kranka be kranka ya fa ama meanwhile ade no man ton omudi be che community no and na bia mi busa say eti enkosi da ben and obi betu no wasi so be bibia boa o man Ghana na so na ba mabu say we hospital beds ye guoi any machines na ka ona e huge money but omusu nya dopa anchine o man Ghana house obi be che Ghana e be duru ha bo no na e problem even omu pelletek atoso kra no na health ministry no ka kire omu say omu enye ready so mbebo omu but me no ka say ukọ mamobi polyclinic say cry on my bleed no aye hospital omu di bia koma wo mu ukọ eye other hospitals na ewo eye Zongo community and as a community hospitals ni nyina so a o mamobi bi a o ma anye selfish eso eba ha bono almost spend almost 2 months asa na omu timi enye ska akwakoyi ade ndi abafi eso eba asisi ano omo de ade na che na ye nche wo mumi entie eye omu bo omode ndi ade ba so omu de ba be che eye community hospitals no omu efo omu famu ene de kan omu akoma so mbe sa adoyi mumi entie wo
decided to bring these machines to help the community because we are from here. We are from Nima, and we have an organization in the United States of America. The organization is Nima Association of New York. It was formed since 1984, so it's about 34 years now. And we decided that at least we have to think about home. The main reason why we decided to bring these things is to make sure that at least our people get subsidized charges when they go to the hospitals. Decided to bring these machines to help the community because we are from here. We are from Nima, and we have an organization in the United States of America. The organization is Nima Association of New York. It was formed since 1984, so it's about 34 years now. And we decided that at least we have to think about home. The main reason why we decided to bring these things is to make sure that at least our people get subsidized charges when they go to the hospitals.
In the first place, why are they paying? Because kidney problems. So we take some units what to make dialysis. Dialysis in a sense, I sana Sunday akọ ewo nti they are like artificial kidneys no etimibo say a queue no ewo college no enye small and our private facilities no so doors any government wants so if government is not in a position to equip them they can come. What they have done is to help equip some other facilities. One thing I'm going to go away to another hospital. Awanya dialysis. Waiting period will be reduced. The bus and also a price and also better drop because the monopoly by the premier hospital will also be broken. And it is in a good direction. And the one price others around who have the means now more. Most of that now more.
This is not the first time we did that. We did buy some bicycle for disabled before.
Yeah.
We donate money for disasters, the stadium disasters and all that. Even the school behind us over here, we did a library for them. So this is not the first time. The only thing I'm going to add with my brother said is that now, as far as these machines is concerned, we're going to be monitoring to see that we do this. Now, on behalf of our brothers and sisters way back in New York, we say that thank you and everything is under control. My brother is here, you already said a lot, I don't want to say too much. So on behalf of the brothers and sisters of Nima in New York, I say thank you and everybody that contributed. So like I said, we did a lot and we can be doing it more.
Yedanyamia se mohwe de adoya eye Nima Association mu wo eye New York ebomodin ebabaye community hospital na clinics ya ewo enkrambatamu ya se na afi ene ye ko de nti a ene program yi baso na debia ya meka se obufo ni so obawi ado atiri a enkohwe hoye Ghana ha debia meka semwe ede kirema ye na obi fi se kodwa asante meka sa wa eso no kura meka kirawo yeti kromu ya say Uba una baby and oh ya many pop 10,000 ajuma 50,000 ajuma. Who told you? Come here, Papa Kosindum kwa employ nipa ko be 10,000 ni achire. Papa Kosindum group indum kwa employ nipa over 10,000 ene achire. Na say yeti kromu ya say Ghana Migration Service omu kodo eso mefa nipa nanso sky ni ko tuya nipa ka no ewai yato forms 84,638 84,638 nipa kodo so mbe adwuma enkran kromi asenkwa 15,728 enkran kromi ankwa omwa omkoto forms Ashanti region 7,668 Muyani paragogu ewak konto so mbeko migration Muyani pa omasalai na mwa musha no enipa mwa bonti ayo omu ba late a omanya kwa enwura park ne so omu ye standby ena wani mu hono nipa omu pe migration adwuma aye ena the whole Ghana 84,628 you know out of all this near nipa 500 the whole Ghana omu de wasi ti se omu wie SS no ye fa nipa 470 and omu di degree no so no ye fa nipa 30 enti nipa 30 the whole Ghana no degree ni nipa 30 enti we divide into 10 let's say region bia ye fa nipa 3 shani pa sala pa juma yati kromu ya less than 1.5 year and now 1 year ni na say I am pro nipa more than 10,000 school for my we school ebi we school be 5 years ni ebi we school be 6 years ni e be 3-4 years ni omunyina na sala pa juma yati kromu ha politicians madada ya che politicians adada ya che shani pa mkondo so mbe ya juma shani pa sala young boys are asalai pejuma. As we are to come here say, politicians in Ghana Korea didn't know politicians in Kalukura, and they are to Chromia say, Obi, Sabio, Okosala, who match it to Aba, as soon as on cap protocol, it in a banya Jumanya. Sanago Sala to Aba, and the man will be mammy and Obi Papa, often or bet Chino, so DBA, at the Achero, Ghana for you. Jani and Rafi, I said, Obi, and a pretty more journey. A man now, what is said the Utia, what to do, ma, eco school, bruchili. And I told about my weirdo, or cuckoo, when I had to call home, and I watch out 7, and that was so be mad. Sanko winning out to a bow. Sanipa winning out to a bar. Sanipa 84,628 winning percentage amount. Amount 1.866%. Sanipa weni munyina no increase vote. Omu na asala no. Omu mami anya minister. Omu afabi ni abam protocol no enka omu. Nipa 500 out of 84,628 across the board. Omu koto forms no kwa no. The whole Ghana nipa 500. Asole ben na udi wom. Also udi wo nkrofo ebe wom out of 500 nana. Is it no or yes? Shanipa asalai out of forms some kwado some be ye adwuma. Nipa mu pe adwuma ye wasi any degree for the whole Ghana. Degree for nipa mu to more than 6,000. Out of 6,000 no nipa 3, nipa 30 and ye for omu kwa degree. So the potato, no, ye chama 10 regions in India, region bia ebenya 3. Region bia ebenya 3. So is it guarantee said so they make a crowd say be na? No, yes. Jana mi ja. Se Ghana ha egosi da bay and the politicians but that die. Hey, ye tu kwa you. But country bien no abekwa ye for police for the soldier for and immigration for nipa ko sala say that. Now when say so na ko sala ya pesa adwuma no. Ehi na ko sala no. Ye to krom ye say politicians ntroni adadai sebio ma me fa ko hwisam chato madada ya che. Ene ye ni ate. Ni asora ho ma che ko sala ni ya pa adwuma mo bi ma me no papa ye wi a was go away. You to go away. Your time will come. There be our politicians in Kano Kura. Every day, the Mbakache and say, yeah, we are on course. We are on course indeed. There be a catch and say, and consider better politician for Sebio. Mobaka said it to about no. Yanni, I have said about I am popular. And then we are unpopular. God will punish you people. In Jesus' name. Say amen. So, Kakura, I will say it for you. Amen. Because the moye no as a my sebio my so stop it to the station cry as a lie. Laway I omo ba let you inside the hall is more than omo who outside no 84,628 people am to force out of 84,000 mo for nipa 500 across the board and then sebio we fu sebio enye nkwasafo nya agimi for sawo se wonu se mba fa nipa 500 ya to ebia we be 2,000. But ultimate forms 84,628. What the whole Ghana nipa 500 now for magma. So enkrofo mu jiro is it robbing or what? Is it robbing? Now go so be a chituo eko wi obi so armed robber. Indirectly no, you are robbing the person because what for say mura bottom but what for watching. Sebi when you see common sense, and they are robbing nipa no. Nipa 84,628. Shelai, when you pay Gua or Mama Salai, out of these people, and this who inside what they are more than the Evry. Pejuma, Ghana DNSC, no politicians, so my dad die. Abayabako. Nene biya me kase eti aban panfo mu say education system no and this ankra we nyina begu utimi brem migration payi utimi brem policy payi utimi brem any institution there more amammo body and I create all this amammo body and I create way and obi be school 4 years ya obi be no be reduce now 3 years obi be 3 years obi go 4 years so common sense better say also the time frame no we increase no so that they may reduce this kind of bullshit. This kind of bullshit, you may reduce it, because anybody go 4 years. Our JHS, no go SS 4 years here. Look at the time frame. 1 year. So 1 2 years. Uncle Form 5, no we said form. University Krano, ebe home. Those time no we Form 5 we are entitled to do any work. What is will be our university? Adende na sia sebia ko sala to abama mu ni eko this suffer. Look at people hwe nkrofo ma salai fra homachi 1 a.m. na mo center ho mi go do homachi 1 a.m. me go head eko so ho no na obi abeda ha ma ade achi na ye ni eko do ho no na obi toso 105 eni eko do 1 a.m. no ana na mi bisa say e die na eko so Ghana Edi na esi asese de Ghana ha say no enema bi esi bi anya nika ase Ghana no yakosala ato aba na politicians no punish ye enkosi da be na politicians etima sebio ma fire sa ami come on ye nya nkwasiafo Ghana ye ni ate we are more than this ye ni ate che bi ehuni me say wa ube bring migration officer bi anase painu okrobia no we politicians, God will punish you. We are politicians, now blame any institution be a leader, God will punish you. Because one no so migration for me and country say, move very about 20,000 at your muka. Etimunya mu must politicians no munya must say Obi a person back migration, obi a person back police, obi a person back soldier, and who calls them? And obi kwa degree or reduce no at the wasi eco migration. Obi okwa degree crown, okwa diploma crown, okwa to baby. Obi kwa na masters or the to baby. Unlimited no to wasi. Look at this. Hwen grofo omugu no ma sebi omko pejuma. Ade na asi. Eti Ghana hada bia ye de si ya ye mu eti so de. Sada no yani immigration PR ekasai mede mu mienti aso kai na fa nipa mu select wo mu so a na de eche mu kotro exams no so ye de no so be ma mu mienti aso kai na ye tie wi a afa na de eche so ayi for the pass kotro exams de fa no so ma mu mienti mra.
The first phase was the online application. We are expecting a little over 15,000 for Greater Accra region. Omababa for the second phase a year body screening and document verification. Into Enipaya Assam Heya, Omunyina ko inside. Urema, first point of call, height. Umiti height requirements na yaye body screening, no. Then you go for document verification. Umiti requirement, then you are given an index number, unique. Then you exit the stadium. Omona ebe shortlisted sano on back for an aptitude test. We are looking for 500, 430 general duty and recruits, then 30 cadet officers. So the process is such that at every stage, the numbers should be lessened. It is a Obana Ufeli height now. Then automatically you don't go through the other processes. Now you are free. Yes. So I understand they will end up not doing anything. But the screening is supposed to take some off who do not meet the standards. After phase 2, you tally all figures from the regions. Then after the examination, the aptitude test, those who qualify and are shortlisted, the next phase will be for medicals. Also, till we get the required number. And normally with recruitment and for an institution like ours, you hear a large pool of prospective applicants. Then we can do our selection process to pick out the best. Because border patrol, border management security, and bibia uko janho kekenaka say brem them. It needs people who are alert, people who are intelligent, people who can think on their feet and all that. So this selection is going to help us to get the qualities that we want from the prospective applicants. All over vouchers is a little over 84,000 conform to vouchers. So 84,000. So it tells you that immigration is becoming a force.
And whole seven say Osha inipa 84,628. Nay out of sa adi 84,000. Yeah, funny per 500. Cadet 30. And I was recruit for also 470. A teacher said 84,000 something. No, yeah, funny per 500. Look at Nkofo Kosa lie. Enti yeah, co-process in the cost near reduce. Meanwhile, politicians now omunya omadeno omunya the pressure eto migration service and so. Politicians now also omunya arrangements here no. Obi a person the ba ekwe officer, obi a person the ba ekwe immigration officer. Na omunya achi no enkrofo a yeso o ma qualify am go chere exams no so no mumi enko hwei. Everybody go chere exams no out of a greater Accra Hanamiko, where they move near Accra for out of 15,728 now, Omuto forms through Hano. Omu pass here, Omu graduate here, Omu got your exams, Omu 13,260. Wow! Omu just Omu so passing in you 16,000 and 13,268. Et muvia omu dila wa here go grab bag here. Omu a degree for. Say degree for we no. And I make a choice say we mu nyina a degree for. Et degree for we no. Ye fa nipa trip say ye ni ye say bia divide into 10 the whole greater Accra. Nipa trip e be for because region here 10 regions. And therefore say enter 3 ma regions bia. Et nipa omu nyina wo nyina omu go degree ni nyina no. Sankofu we nyina ye fa nipa trip e wo. Sani pa ya omujira ho nyina o eti we muso omujira o mobo ompepa omu ya omusu kura wasi no out of all this no so no so we divide it into 10 enipa 470 na year for across the country no nature say year for region be about 37 people enipa omujira ho nyina o cha greater Accra enipa omu akwalify go chase am 13,000 something no out of 13,000 no year for nipa me fan say cherry pepper pa nipa 37 pe and the fa o was in recruitment no so enipa ejira ho nyina me fan say greater Accra ha enipa we o mo masala e ko nyina degree for no out of all these people no ye fa nipa 3% say share equally enipa 3% for mu Accra and greater Accra. And I said, if I go over the burning, so see, I tell you, people 37 years for Greater Accra out of 13,228 now. So, you know, so, it's me, say, it's go see that bank. I go see that bank because, say, there were 10 regions, and the 10 regions, you know. Say I can say 50-50 krana and got 10 regions no and got 5 per because 50-50 are saying 450 so it is a good channel say 10 regions now about 37 because any of the SS uncle for you sebio called Tosom be adwuma migration officers e called to say e kasa uncle for nkomenya nkombe for wo sunsum pe na honam yemre enti politicians na ema ba kwa se kamu nyina am fa nkrofo we kakra enka na yebehu sa de ehu ni ni enka yebehu sa de ma yehu ni ni she enipa omu pass omu ko check omu height omu pass ye body selection omu pass ya omu ko chere exams na omu ni o enti we Stay 2 no omu so pass here near 13,228 nto omu ko chere exams na ye out of this no fancy any nipa 40 kra Sankrofo you. Whatever say nipa 40. The whole Greater Accra. Nipa ejina woni pe 40 pe. So nipa 40 no, one ye be yin ye jahwan. Eno na eye me mo bose. Gwa nyina achi no, politicians ne do mo nkrofo na ebeko. Omo ma anye ne emaye no. Omu mom na edom ne because even immigration service no, omu ni any right to say omo fe nipa so rumpe except to a friend say finance. And Rebecca say, "Bit me tue nipa we no muka." Any etimi afa because they say me no ka say police for so be fabi. Nti de bia na choke no e nti identity education system no. Expanding no. Expanding no. Na and cram the time frame no. And can kwa ni mu kakra na ka etimi sort all these people. Etimi sort them out. She nipa e cultural exams out of all this no. The whole Ghana about 84,600 and something no. Ye fa nipa 500 pe na eno so no e di asem na migration PR owura marker amakwata e di asem na o ka kire mumi enkotie eno so ne ba mo am office amamkwai na mo so ma frɛ a kire ma adwe mumi enkotie PR
15,704. And out of that, for Greater Accra Americano, out of that, you have 13,205. So I qualify for the next stage of the second phase. And in the aptitude test, I'm going to share here on my bachelor. And you group into their various categories. Your degree holders, HND holders, and WASI. So they are going in terms. And the paper is a 50-question paper and for 45 minutes. And you be adding and I say should be then they say I train now or maybe first batch you and second batch call so maybe the 6th or 7th batch. So BIA will have a chance of writing the exams. Yes, you be a whole kind. Yeah, na system I issue. And so we are ready to ensure that the system is able to allow each qualified applicant to write the test. Pen, pencil, eraser. A simple, basic aptitude questions. And yeah, deviating.
Show it is only pay a Greater Accra and go 15,720 something. Na sankrofo we nyina. Omu ko cho exams no. 13,000 something. So out of 13,000 or so, no, yes, I bet drop one man about being probably 40. But 13,000, no, fin probably 40. It also a woofy. The echoes you when it here. Now enter. Remember break down. No, a year region beer ni padudua. Omu sebi omu to forms. Ni padudu omu to forms. With the regions in region by region. With the region abema. Now so kwado. Ubeti me afre now so watch what you say enti sebio there goes mu na mu me nhwe enipa na mu asesala mu me nsa nhwe bio mu na mu me nhwe enipa sebio o masala ya omu ekoto forms omu ko do so mbeko migration na de bia me catch us Ghana ha say no ase sebio ya de nipa da ne nkwa so unje nipa ya enipa omu to forms oh Ghana has say no 84,637 84,637 Greater Accra Ashanti region ni upper west ni upper east no Ashanti region kwa 7,866 Ashanti region omu to forms no kwa no 7,866 oba abuafo Abrahafu nkwaya 4,411 Abrahafu 4,411 Central Region 3,986 Central Region 3,986 Eastern Region 4,972 Eastern Region 4,972 aha na asemno Greater Accra nkwano 15,704 only Greater Accra 15,704 Oko eye Northern region 1,895. Northern region 1,894. Upper East region asuro 1,510. 1,510. Oko voter region omu ena omu number no e form. Eso omu ko number no from voter region no 954. Enipa 954. Oko eye Upper West region omu na 954 no and a voter region 3,928. Voter region 3,928 and a Oko Western region 2,251. 2,251 Western region. So we total now. Nature said the whole Ghana no per people na kram nipa 84,637 out of 84,637 nipa 500 near for the whole Ghana. And nipa 500 and a 500 no so here for no here for mun degree no 30 and here for oma omu kura wasi no so 470 enti wa wo fie ubetima frɛ na do wadwene kyerɛ ade abasenti de ekosu mini umienu politicians no ana sɛ mi omu buye kwase a ni nyina achi so no omu ana de omu ma ade ekɔ enti sɛ mini umienu ade ene enye ye fa ho adwen ana ye bekɔ resi a ubetimi afrɛ 050 6565750 050 6565750 05065655750 wuso wo fie wo de ko so ma film me so ma film ene de dem aba che kuro de Thursday so de du twam wuso betima frɛ na do adwen kyerɛ e de aba 050656575 e bia na so ko to form so ni bi wo ko to wo gidie so so be immigration enye immigration for no na aye na emom ye fa brem no ma politician for and as ye for my sense politicians no omu and abere nyina no and ya me adwuma ne ba hello me dia first of free
hello
me dia first of free me enti hello also ubetimi afre 05 hello me dia first of free 0506565750 0506 hello me dia first of free hello Mr. Muche ahomani yema ni ani abre Muche ni yema yani abre papa me bobo register hello me dey first of free hello the first of free
hello
me ba che first of free me enti o
ya me free Upper West region
yo me enti o
Upper West region
yo kasa me enti o
Nandom
but yeah mo fra mo TV volume no mo so se nipa no fra mo kan che se o load TV no mo ma ne maso ansa enu ti na mo kan se o load TV no yes o be ba so wie na be ka se o load na be yi na free so nipa no hello me dey first of free hello ba che first of free me enti o
me ka se free kofodia
me enti o
yeah numbers ni do so nti do so mbo form ni pa ya ye to forms no mun chiche fika mfama ye na de na je fika back obi anfa ni receipt ni mra no ma ji fika back we ko ni pa 500 na mo fa dia na te 8,400 and something and the top forms no de me nyi fika back na politicians no omo form ko for ni nko
ya dasi oso ubetimi afre 0506565750 o chen tietie o so me ma fa na mo fa ni scam no me nim se hen sa na yi dia hello me dey first of free oso ubetimi afre sense ya na ya hwe ni pa do akosa lie out of all this no mutie the PR ne kai ye fa ni pa 500 out of 84,637 mo ko to forms no ye fa ni pa 500 hello me dey first of free
ye fa mo ko dum free tasari
kojo mi enti o
ewunia
minia
me pese Ghana e pese Kenya ma akwadi ka mission sana e ko ni be France ana matlange
Mitio hello minia mitio Mr. Also bet me a friend 0506565. Hello, me the first of free me ntio. Hello, me ntio.
FM ko jun fugi da kwali.
Akojo kasa me ntio. Hello, Kojo. Mr. Kojo ntime nyina so ofuba TTM MC 2018 di ni agro. Hello, me the first of free. Yo, Mate. Also, wait me a friend 05065655750. Now the moon share nipa sebium kodo. So be ye juma. Share a man memma. Show one keka one kono as uncle when out of this you know nip and can and friend pay 50 cra. Hello, me first of free. Hello. Hello, but your first of free me and you.
Hello,
me and you first of free.
But you can say what are you?
Yo, me and you, your first say.
But you are from Oliver.
Oliver trace me uncle. Can
I go for 2 dollars no? I buy no boy from.
Hello, meet you.
I say something for 500 no. Yes, I buy some for 1 count.